Understanding the termination of employment contracts is crucial for both employers and employees. When an employment relationship ends, knowing your legal rights and obligations can protect you from potential disputes and financial losses. Employment contract termination occurs when an agreement ends before its scheduled term. This can happen for various reasons, initiated by either the employer or employee. While termination is often unwanted, understanding the legal framework surrounding it is essential. Employers must comply with federal, state, and industry-specific laws when terminating employees. This includes adhering to notice requirements specified in employment contracts and avoiding wrongful termination claims. The distinction between at-will employment and contract employment is significant. At-will employees can generally be terminated without cause, while contract employees have specific protections outlined in their agreements. Resignation is a form of employee-initiated termination. In most cases, employees receive their salary through their last day of work, plus any accrued vacation days. The circumstances of resignation matter. Those who resign without good reason typically receive standard treatment, while those who resign with good reason, such as to help with corporate restructuring, may receive preferential treatment, like generous severance packages. Sometimes employees resign due to employer behavior that makes continued employment impossible. This is known as constructive dismissal and occurs when employers significantly change roles or benefits without agreement, create hostile work environments, or force employees to resign under pressure. In these cases, employees may be entitled to severance or damages if they can prove their resignation was effectively a dismissal. Termination for cause happens when an employee has conducted themselves poorly according to prearranged agreements. This might include intentional misconduct, insubordination, felony conviction, job abandonment, or material breach of contract. The specific definition of cause is often subject to intense negotiations. Employees terminated for cause typically receive only the salary owed until their last day of work. Importantly, cause does not include subjective judgments, like poor attitude or not being a good fit. It requires specific documented negative actions, protecting employees from arbitrary termination. For employers, proper documentation is essential when terminating for cause. This includes maintaining records of progressive discipline, conducting fair internal investigations, providing employees opportunities to respond to allegations, and ensuring compliance with all applicable employment laws. Termination without cause is more common and occurs when the decision is based on the employer's judgment rather than specific pre-agreed scenarios. This might include performance issues, finding a better employee, company downsizing, or personality conflicts. While this gives employers flexibility, it typically requires them to provide the full value of the contract to the terminated employee, essentially functioning as a severance payment. Employees terminated without cause often have rights to severance packages, which may include lump sum payments, continued health benefits, or outplacement services. Employers may condition severance on agreements to non-compete clauses or confidentiality terms. Employees may also be entitled to compensation for unused vacation days, bonuses, or commissions. Termination due to disability or death presents special considerations. Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, employees cannot be terminated solely due to disability unless reasonable accommodations cannot be made. Employers may be required to provide life insurance payouts, final wages, or other benefits to an employee's estate in case of death. The Family and Medical Leave Act may protect employees on medical leave. Understanding employment contract termination is complex but essential. Both employers and employees benefit from knowing their rights and obligations. Proper documentation, clear communication, and adherence to legal requirements can prevent disputes and ensure fair treatment for all parties involved. When in doubt, seeking legal counsel is advisable to navigate the complexities of employment termination effectively.